since the partial differential equation that is wave equation is linear and homogeneous. The linear combination of solutions of the form with n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on is also a solution of the equation. This principle is called superposition principle. By the superposition principle, the linear combination of solutions of the form equation 4 with n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on is also a solution for the given partial differential equation, that is one-dimensional wave equation, as it is a linear and homogeneous partial differential equation. Since the partial differential equation, that is wave equation, is linear, so degree of each term is equal to 1 and right hand side is equal to 0, therefore it is homogeneous. By the superposition principle, the linear combination of these solutions is also a solution for the given equation, that is a superposition principle. Therefore, the most general solution of equation 4 is y of x comma t is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l into cos n pi ct by l. Say this is equation number 5. Most general solution of equation 4. Now applying the condition number 4 in equation 5, that is condition number 4 is y of x comma 0 is equal to k into lx minus x square. Initial displacement in the string that is given in the condition number 4. Here y of x comma 0 is equal to k into lx minus x square for all 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to l. Therefore put t equal to 0 in equation number 5. Now applying condition 4 in equation 5. we get y of x comma 0, put it equal to 0, sigma n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity, bn into sine n pi x by l into cos of 0, n pi c by l into 0. So therefore cos of 0. Therefore this is equal to y of x comma 0, that is k into lx minus x square into sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sine n pi x by l into cos 0 1. Therefore since cos 0 is equal to 1, cos 0 value is equal to 1. Now this is exactly the half range sine series, half range Fourier sine series. Therefore the formula to find bn in the half range Fourier sine series is in the arbitrary interval 0 comma l, because here x varies from 0 to l. Since the length of the string is l, so the distance is varies from 0 to l. Therefore 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to l. So therefore half range sine series. Therefore bn is given by 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x into sin n pi x by l dx. This is a half range Fourier sine series of f of x is equal to k into lx minus x square in the interval 0 comma l, in the interval 0 comma l. Therefore now to find bn, we have bn is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. This is the bn where f of x is equal to k into lx minus x square. Therefore bn is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x is equal to k into lx minus x square into sin n pi x by l dx. Therefore f of x into g of x by using Euler formula, algebra first, trigonometry, LATE, trigonometry next. So therefore by using Euler formula, so we are taking this is f of x, this is g of x. We use the arrow marks method to find the integration of lx minus x square into sine of n pi x by l. Now derivative of lx minus x square, that is derivative of lx, l minus x square derivative 2x, x derivative 1, x square derivative is 2x, again l minus 2x derivative is 0 minus 2 because derivative of 2x is 2, there is minus 2. Again derivative of minus 2, 0. Therefore, integration of sin n by x by L. Now derivative of integration of sin, that is minus cos n by x by L by coefficient of x is n pi by L occurs in the denominator. Now again integration of minus cos, that is minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L. Already n pi by L is there. So n pi by L into n pi by L, n square pi square by L square. Again derivative of minus sin, that is minus cos, minus into minus plus cos n pi x by L by n cube pi cube by L cube. Now therefore, by using arrow Morse method, 0 into anything is 0, 0 into finite value. Now this is plus, alternatively plus and minus, minus plus. Take alternatively plus and minus for the product. Now therefore this can be, now integration can be written as Bn is equal to 2 by L into k is a constant. We are separating k, 2k by L into integration of this one by using arrow Morse method. We get Bn is equal to 2 times k by L into Lx minus x square minus Lx minus x square into cos n pi x by L by n pi by L. Again minus into minus plus L minus 2x into sin n pi x by L by n square pi square by L plus into minus, that is minus L minus 2x into sin, this is minus into minus plus is correct. L minus 2x into sin n by x by L by n square pi square by L square. By L square. Now minus into plus, minus 2 times cos n pi x by L by n cube pi cube by L cube minus 2 into cos n pi x by L by n cube pi cube by L cube. Limits 0 to L. Therefore, applying upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, this can be written as, for the first term, upper limit L, L into L, L square minus L square, L square minus L square, that is 0 into cos n pi x, L by L cancel, so cos n pi, so 0 into cos n pi 0. Next upper limit minus lower limit, L minus 2L into sine n pi x by L, sine n pi x by L. Therefore, sine LL cancel, we get sine n pi. Sine n pi value 0 minus lower limit sine 0, that is also 0. Again minus 2 into cos n pi, upper limit L by L cos n pi minus lower limit cos of 0. B, that is equal to 2k by L into, for the upper limit and lower limit, this is minus L square minus L square into cos of n pi L by L, that is LL cancel, by n pi by L minus lower limit 0 minus 0, L into 0, 0 minus 0 into cos 0. Next again plus L minus 2x, upper limit 2L into sine of n pi L by L by minus lower limit L minus 2 into 0 into sine 0 by n square pi square by L square. In the third term, minus 2 into, now upper limit L cos n pi L by L minus lower limit cos of n pi 0 by L, that is cos 0 by n cube pi cube by L cube. This is the substitution of upper limit minus lower limit in all the three terms occurred in the above step. Here see L square minus L square 0, this is 0, L minus 2L, this is, sorry, here 0, sin n pi by L into, sorry, L, now LL cancel, here LL cancel, here also LL cancel. Therefore, here 0 first term, second term, here LL cancel, sin n pi 0, sin 0, 0. So therefore, here cos n pi value minus 1 whole to the power of n, cos 0 value 1. So therefore, first term 0, second term is also 0, since sin n pi 0, sin 0, 0. Here L square minus L square 0 minus 0. Here cos n pi minus cos 0. Cos n pi value minus 1 whole to the power of n, cos 0 value 1. This is equal to 2k by L into 0 plus 0 minus 2 into cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power of n, cos 0 1 by n cube pi cube by L cube, since sin n pi 0, sin 0, 0, cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power of n, cos 0, 1. We substituted in the above step. So we get this value. Therefore, this is equal to, this can be written as 2k by L into, we are writing it reciprocal, minus 2L cube by n cube pi cube into minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. We are minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, this is equal to L, L gets cancelled, L square is the remaining here. Therefore, this can be written as 2 into 2, 4 times k into L square by n cube pi cube into multiplying by minus, we get plus 1 minus minus 1 whole to the power of n. Therefore, again, this can be written as, if n is odd number, that means 1, 3, 5 and so on, minus 1 whole power 1, minus 1, minus 1 whole to the power of 3, minus 1, minus 1 whole to the power of 5, minus 1, minus 1 whole to the power of 7, minus 1, minus into minus plus. Therefore, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 4, 8 into kl square by n cube pi cube, if n is a odd number. If n is a even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 1 whole square, that is a 1. Next, minus 1 whole to the power of even for 0 also, this is a 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 4, 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 6, 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So for even number, so this value is equal to 0. Therefore, this is equal to 4 into 2, 8 times k into L square by n cube pi cube. If n is odd number, here n is an integer, and 0 if n is even number. Since n is odd number, this is a negative, negative into negative plus. If it is even number, positive value, positive into negative, negative. So that becomes a 0. So this is our Bn value. So Bn is equal to 8k L square by n cube pi cube if n is odd number for 1, 3, 5 and so on. Now substituting this value in equation number 5, because our general solution is in equation number 5. So substitute Bn in equation number 5 for n is equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on infinity. This is our required solution for the one-dimensional wave equation to find the displacement at any distance x and time t. Substituting Bn in equation 5, we get y of x comma t is equal to sigma n is equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on infinity 8 times k L square n cube pi cube into sine n pi x by L into cos n pi ct by L. This is our required solution. Therefore, 8k L square pi cube is a constant. We will write it out of the sigma. Therefore, this is equal to 8 times k L square by pi cube sigma n is equal to 135 to infinity 1 by n cube sine n pi x by L into cos n pi ct by L. This is y of x comma t, which is our required solution of the one-dimensional wave equation subject to the given initial and boundary conditions. This completes the solution for one-dimensional wave equation with the given initial and boundary condition. Now, in each problem of vibrations of a string with zero initial velocity, the solution is same up to equation number 5. After that, the initial displacement changes, so the value of Bn changes. Otherwise, there is no change in the solution. This is one advantage of the solution in the one-dimensional wave equation. So in each problem of one-dimensional wave equation with initial and boundary conditions, so if the initial velocity is 0, the solution is same up to this level. After that, so your function, initial displacement function may vary, so the value of Bn will be vary. So this is only the change from this part, only we get a change up to equation number 5. There is no change in the solution.